Hey brother, welcome to Texarkana, Texas. I am on the road on my way to North Carolina for the Mentoring Men Men's Retreat. I'm traveling with my wife and daughter, and in this video I want to talk to you about bringing more joy and adventure and curiosity and fun into your life, into your marriage, into your relationships. And so I want to tell you a quick story of how this morning when we woke up, my wife and daughter and I, we were talking about improv classes. We were talking about how much fun it was to get up on stage with another person and just yes and the things that they would say, and to figure out how to get outside of our comfort zone and to do different things that we hadn't done before. If you haven't taken improv classes, I highly recommend it. And then we were talking about what we were going to do if we were ready to get on the road, if we were ready to do some more traveling, if we wanted to do anything here in Texarkana before we left. And the topic of there's a post office here in Texarkana that actually borders the Arkansas-Texas line. And we were trying to decide, did we want to do that, or did we just want to get on the road and get some miles behind us? And ultimately, I decided that I want to do the post office. I want to go stand on that border between Arkansas and Texas. I want to be able to stand in two states at one time. Why? Because why not? Because it's a memory. Because even if it's not that interesting, at least it's something that I did along the way to North Carolina. And it's not just getting in the miles and making good time and stopping for gas and stopping for potty breaks and driving, right? It's something different. It's something new. It's something interesting. There's an opportunity for fun in it. And you know what I'm talking about. As a guy, we like to make good time. We like to be efficient. We like to check the boxes and be able to push the buttons and get reproducible results, right? We don't like to engage in things that we don't think will have a high probability of success at. And that's why we avoid doing new things, doing different things. And we can get into a rut, get into a routine of going to work and coming home and watching TV and avoiding difficult conversations and initiating sex with our wife and going out on date night and doing things that are fun and interesting. And life can become pretty stale. It can become pretty boring. And then we wonder why we don't have more joy and laughter and fun in our life. And so this is what I'm going to do today. I'm going to do this morning. I'm going to go to that post office. It's a post office. It's probably not going to be that exciting, but who knows? At least it's an opportunity for some fun, for some laughter, and then we'll get on the road and we'll make good time anyway. And so that's what I want to encourage you to do, is to look for those post office moments. Look for those opportunities in your life where you can introduce some fun and some curiosity and some adventure into what you've got going on, so that life isn't stale. It's not just the same old. And if you find yourself along the highway on a roadside stop someplace, and you get to make the choice, you get to make the decision as to whether or not you're going to do the same old, or if you're just going to take a moment to go off and do something different, something outside of the norm, something that you may not have done before. And so that's my message to you this morning, is what can you do today that's different, even if it's just a little bit different than yesterday? How can you introduce some fun, some laughter, some joy, some curiosity, some excitement into your life? That's your homework for now. All right. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. And if you need help with any of that, reach out to me, contact me. Let's talk about how to introduce more fun and joy into your life. And if you find that that's impossible right now, let's talk about that, why that's impossible. Let's talk about why that is a difficulty for you, and let's talk about what it is that you want to experience, what you can create in your life. This is something new for me as well. I have been process oriented, checking those boxes. doing the things that I thought I was supposed to do. But I tell you what, the first half of my life was not that much fun. And now I'm enjoying it. And so I want to invite you to join me in that journey. So, all right. Thanks for being here, brother. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.